happy birthday, Richie! Happy 50th birthday, Richie! Half a century old ka na. Tatandaan ko nung bata pa nakikipagmadyong kayo ni Rosel with your lolo. Panay ulat kay lolo. Kinagkakamada ata kay ni Rosel noon eh. I also remember you always calm. Mr. Kalmado ikaw. Kahit bagyo na, kalmado ka pa din. That's a good trait. Keep it up, dude. I also see how you take care of your children, your boys, and your family, Jel. So you work hard, it will only get better if you work harder. Ganun talaga ang buhay, I'm pretty sure you're doing your best for your family. Sana yung mga boys mo, they're all growing up. Lumalaki na. Takay rito para masaya. All the best to you, Richie. Praying for your good health. And may the Lord grant you peace, happiness, and prosperity this year and the years ahead. Happy birthday, dude. Hugs.